my god, it's totally walking home. We is like, well, going into the subway. Into the subway of doom, like lols. I love the subway. Banging. The subway smells of like piss and that. And there's a fucking spider hanging from like the ceiling. Oh my god. Oh god! Oh my god! Has it gone? Oh god, it's on the floor.
Oh, poor thing, innit?
It's fucking dead, man, now look! Yeah! Fuck off!
And something's on the bottom of your shoes.
Oh no. Oh, that scared me, man. Moles! Oh my god, there's another one! Ah! Oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with it? I
Oh, hey!
don't like it. I
Don't like it.
Give me Give me it.
Hey, I can't see it. Oh, there it is. What's up with these spider? Oh my fucking god!
Fucking nigga! I haven't got it. Oh my god. Yeah, I really don't like it. Oh my god. Where is it? I want to run past. Can't go. Has it gone?
No, select.
I don't like this. Oh my god, it's like doing acrobatics.
What if there's one like here?
Oh my fucking god.
There's one up there.
Oh my god, I hate the subway. The subway's fucking gay. Oh.
They killed another one!
Oh, like there's one up there as well. Oh, this is fucking sick.
Somewhere.
Oh my god, the battery's going now. The battery's going